So welcome back the students of class 6th. We are studying the chapter 4, the unforgettable writers, and in the part first we studied that Rabindranath Tagore was not a usual student. मतलब नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट्स की तरह उन्हें क्लासरूम में बैठ के पढ़ना अच्छा नहीं लगता था. He was given education at his home by the private teachers and he was so fascinated towards nature. उन्हें नेचर से बहुत लगाव था, इसलिए बहुत सुंदर सुंदर कहानियाँ लिखते थे. And at the age of 11 he was so intelligent. At the age of 11 he was discussing about the biographies of Benjamin Franklin, Edwards Gibbon, and the story of the decline and the fall of the Roman Empire with his father. He was so inspired by the poetry of Kalidasa also. So let's study further about the Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore believed that proper teaching encourages curiosity. It is page number 48 and it is the last fourth para. At 17, Tagore was sent to England for higher education, but there also the traditional system of education did not satisfy him. He returned without completing his studies. He was interested in two main topics, human relationship and the motherland. After coming back to India, he married Mrinalini Devi in 1883. As I told you earlier that the lines which don't need further explanation, I will not explain those ones. You can easily see in the on the screen that what is written in the para. The condition of the poor and illiterate peasants in India moved him. He realized they were deeply influenced by foolish and unscientific beliefs. द कंडीशन ऑफ द पुअर, गरीबों की, एंड इलिटरेट मतलब जो अनएजुकेटेड लोग रहते हैं, मजदूर लोग रहते हैं, उससे वो उनका दिल बहुत दुखी हुआ. मूड है मतलब उनका दिल अंदर तक खिल गया. ही रियलाइज, उन्हें एहसास हुआ कि वो जो लोग हैं दे आर डीपली इन्फ्लुएंस्ड. वो लोग किसके प्रेशर में जीते हैं? एक तो फुलिशनेस, गांव की जो कुछ बेकार की कुरीतियां है वो, और एक अनसाइंटिफिक बिलीव्स, कुछ जो अवैज्ञानिक तौर तरीके वो लोग अपनाते हैं उनमें. Mrinalini, he said, we have to open an informal school for poor farmers and boatmen. They need to remove the deep-rooted superstition from their minds. हम एक informal school, informal means जहाँ पे regular admissions और फीसेस वगैरह की दिक्कत ना हो, ऐसा एक स्कूल खोलना है गरीब किसानों के लिए और बोटमैन के लिए, मछुआरों के लिए. They need to remove the deep rooted superstition from their minds. और उनके मन में जो अंधविश्वास पलता है वो सब उनके माइंड से हटाना होगा. Where do you want to open the school? asked Mrinalini. At Shantiniketan near Bolpur in West Bengal, where there would be different kind of learning experience. Under the able guidance of Gurudev, the teachers took classes under the trees, under the open sky and the green grass around. Later the school became a college. लेटर वो किस में डेवलप हो गया? जो उनका ये जो था शांति निकेतन, एक कॉलेज में. And then a famous university under the name of Vishwa Bharati. Today students from different parts of the world come to study there. Tagore wanted peace and harmony for his country. In 1905, Lord Curzon decided to divide Bengal into two small parts. Rabindranath Tagore strongly protested against this decision. और जब लॉर्ड कर्जन ने बंगाल को डिवाइड करने की बात कही तो रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर उनके डिसीजन के खिलाफ थे. He wrote a number of revolutionary songs and attended protest meetings. He began to write stories, poems, and songs about different aspects of the Indian culture and society. Through this revolutionary writing, he tried to revive the mental and the moral spirit of the people. He was full of anguish. Anguish means taklif, pain and sorrow at the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy, where hundreds of innocent civilians were killed and thousands were wounded on 13th April 1919 in Amritsar. क्योंकि वो क्या चाहते थे कि मेरे देश में शांति और खुशहाली रहे, इसलिए जब भी कोई ऐसी घटना होती थी तो उन्हें बहुत बुरा लगता था. जलियांवाला बाग ट्रेजेडी से भी उन्हें बहुत हर्ट हुआ था. टैगोर वॉज वेरी टैलेंटेड. ही वॉज अ पेंटर, पोएट, playwright, novelist, philosopher, and educationist. His genius, like the rising sun, began to create wonders. He traveled extensively to Europe, America, and Asia and delivered lectures in universities and public meetings on education. Tagore was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his book of poems called Gitanjali. In 1915 he was knighted by the British king. Knighted means एक जो degree दी जाती. You have seen the people wearing black coat and the hat. So the degree which was given to him by whom? British King George V. In 1919, following the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, टैगोर रिनाउंस्ड हिज नाइटहुड. और उन्होंने जो अपना नाइटहुड था वो कैंसिल कर दिया था. वाई? बिकॉज वो जो जलियांवाला बाग में जो अमानवीय कृत्य हुआ था उससे उनको बहुत नफरत थी. टैगोर नाथ promoted spiritual values and tolerance. Besides poetry, he wrote plays, dance dramas, stories, and novels. Tagore also created numerous drawings and paintings. He wrote the music and lyrics for the poems he wrote. His collection of songs is called Rabindra Sangeet. His composition Jana Gana Man was adopted as the national anthem of India, while one of his songs Amar Mo Sonar Bangla, My Golden Bengal, was later made into national anthem of Bangladesh. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, as he was fondly called, passed away on 8th August 1941 at his ancestral home in Kolkata. Okay, so now the chapter is easily understood. There are some keywords. Let's discuss those ones. What are those ones? On first page there are ancestral, illustrious, and affluent. Second page prompted, periodical, astronomy, illiterate, superstition. Third page anguish, extensively, and massacre. So dear students, these glossy words are to be written in your notebook along with the meanings. Okay, that's all in this video. Thanks for listening.